U f'Mosca wasal il-parti li kulħadd ikun qed jistenna, il-welcome party uffiċjali tal-Eurovision 2009 u ħafna kantanti tal-pajjiżi kollha tista' tgħid u jien ħadħolaw ġew biex insaqsihom mistoqsija li ma tagħmilx sens laqna ħadaw x'ansibu. Since it's your first time, you think like that, Delphis, or maybe different guys, or their countries for bad mail, maybe go there? Or maybe more?
What?
Since your first time Eurovision is different like that, or maybe different for the hair and you go on stage and all the girls together, or maybe it doesn't make a difference for you because it's jealous all the fans when they vote, or no?
Do you know what? Sorry, I can't understand.
The stage, the feeling on the stage, or?
No, the feeling on the stage that when you go on and you pass by and you don't know, and the singers go, I don't know, because Sak is, or it's different for you, maybe from your heart.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand the question. I'm
Okay,
really
let's go slowly. Is it go day, the Twanya or Beckinel for the Hess?
Excuse me?
To that's the political situation here in Russia, or the slicky mess, maybe for the dress to bay or Benins, maybe.
If you mean here in Russia, if I see it
In the break dates when you dress and you go in the different for the stage or the lights, or yellow, green, blue.
white,
Sorry,
I'll be wearing all white on stage.
all white.
I can't quite understand. Could you say it slower, please?
And the order for Sak is very bad, different though for him.
Say again.
For him, very gay, they say different or no?
For sing or what?
No, for him it's different. No, you. Can you wait when you see him? Okay, what do you think of the Great Debate for that? What do you think of the Great Debate the first time they audition different countries? Or maybe Gay Debate, you think? What do you think?
Something now, ignore me.
Is it Grow Debate or not use? Since your first time, make a debate?
I didn't hear you.
Since your first time, you got debates with debates? Since it's your second time here, okay, in Eurovision, see that when you go on stage beats, or maybe different, and then you go down and you change the clothes.
You change the clothes?
Tonight,
No. 3 years ago.
3 years ago.
3 years ago, I didn't.
Maybe Mediterranean or political situation in Greece and in Russia, and you're different on the stage, and then you say, I don't know, for you, or for the fans, or the people who vote. Or it's different because you think it's very important to be here and to give all the utmost faith, maybe
No, I said
it's
I am
green.
Different. I am different.
Or maybe the green of the tie, for you. Or because of the eye.
About the jury voting?
No, about the group debates, voting different for the first time, since it's your first time, and maybe
Yes,
for you.
Yes.
And for you as well, or what do you think?
Yes.
Yes.
What do you think about?
When you get that, when the first time in, or maybe in Moscow and Israel when they came before, and you think it's not easy, but it's co-debate debates, countable debates for different states.
אני מצטערת, אני לא מבינה מה הוא
What do you
שואל.
think about that?
Oh my God, I'm so sorry that I don't really understand what you're asking
Yes,
me.
I know.
Okay, what about Ireland, different under the sea? You think, or no?
I don't understand. Sorry, I'm sorry.
U Sakis tal-Greċja daħal kompliċi magħna wkoll.
You understand them?
You don't understand.
Why not? They speak perfectly English.
I know. I don't hear anything.
It's very loud. When you see him the first time, go to bed?
First time.
No, pretty good brain or brain is maybe for the different songs. Maybe he told us.
You can ask.
Can debates for him both debate or well, what do you think about that debates maybe?
Tell him.
Maybe. I'm trying to ask him since it's first time here. Do the days different or for you, babe? For the head? Since it's your first time here, do you for that's different or gay? They're telling us for different colors to vote and the signs and, for example, the colors or baby well. For you, like the earrings here, this part, and Cody base or you Barbell for the countries or Bade and Bandy Gobo.
I just wear what I like.
What? I don't understand. What
Why, you don't speak
I don't
English?
understand. He speaks so quick. Can you express?
Your new album that is coming out. Your new album that
Yes,
is coming out.
yes.
Could every day is different or for let's say the dress or the hair maybe too long for the Katy base? Maybe I don't know. What do you think?
I think everything fantastic.
U fl-aħħar ngħidilhom li ċajta.
That was you did it very nicely though, right?
That was good.
No, really? You're full of it.
I'm in Candid camera, all right?
You got us.
Really?
You got us.
What's he saying?
I can't understand because he's sick. But
But it's funny how he said it's fantastic.